Okay, I kept rolling some more. I got lots more suds, but now I need to check and see if I'm ready to take it out of the bubble wrap. So I'm going to do my pinch test again. I'm going to pinch it up, and this time, when I pinch it up, the whole fabric's lifting up. So I can get a little bit of fuzz up, but it's really all holding together and not cutting apart on me. So at this point, we've finished with the felting process, and we're going to move on to the fulling process. So I don't need the bubble wrap anymore. Bubble wrap was just to keep everything together until we had formed the felt. And now we have our felt scarf, and we're going to move on to stage 2, which is fulling, which is getting the fabric to be more dense. We're going to shrink it up. We're going to make it stronger and thicker and get our final scarf product.